Look what I have right here. This is a very special pearl with a bit of a story behind it. This is carbon drab. Gabe, what is carbon drab?
I have no idea.
Correct. Let me tell you how this came to be, and I hope KP doesn't mind me sharing this. They got this pearl by accident. They ordered something, there was a bit of a mix-up, they didn't get what they wanted, and this showed up. Carbon drab has never been sprayed out before. We are the first. So, what we thought was we're going to try it over an interesting base coat. Right here is the Mustang. It's got a motor oil base on it. We wanted something kind of deep because you want to have the base darker than the pearl. We thought because it says carbon drab, we may want to go a little kind of towards the military vibe. I think motor oil is perfect. And like usual, at the end of the video, we'll show you this pearl over a bunch of different base colors. So let me show you what carbon drab looks like. Hoochie mama. Okay, so this is going to be a complex green, highly metallic with, I'm seeing, tell me if you guys see this, a little bit of like a blue vibe on an angle. Gabe, you see that blue vibe?
Oh yeah.
Right? Okay, so we're gonna go what? 25 grams per gallon?
We can.
Okay. We want the motor oil to play a role here. We're not looking for total opaque coverage. Huh.
Yeah.
It's a little more shimmery than I expected.
It's a little more army greenish.
It is a little army greenish. Do you think we're gonna get a military vibe out of this?
I think so.
Let's see how it blends up. I can see where they got the... See, you see all those highlights? That I wasn't expecting. I can see where they got the kind of carbon drab vibe. It's very sparkly. Okay, let's check the old stick of truth here. It's actually gonna cover very well. We gotta be careful. 25 grams per gallon may smother that motor oil. Ooh, it's heavy too. Look at that travel.
We may have to dilute it a little.
We might have to. Okay. Carbon drab, brand new, never been sprayed in the history of the universe, ever, over motor oil. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and Gabe and I had no idea what to expect from this carbon drab. I mean, we're the first people in the world to spray it. I do think it works pretty well over this motor oil, and like I said, at the end of the video, I'm gonna show it to you over a bunch of different base coats. So you know what to do. When we take the car outside, take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate this one for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. And do me a favor, check it out over the other base colors. Let me know which one you think looks best there, because if we do move this pearl to mass production, we may want to use it again in the future video. If you want to change the color of your emblems, your wheels, or your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have tons of kits. They're all do-it-yourself friendly. Gabe and I had a ton of fun on this project. We'll see you on the next one.